First thing you need to do is make sure you don't need a permit to remove it, either from your municipality, the Conservation Authority, the Environment Ministry, or Parks Canada. To find out which agencies have jurisdiction over your lake, call your municipal office. Beyond that, the key here is to find a solution that's good for the health of your lake and for your swimming habits. You should know that the wood from fallen trees is an important part of healthy water ecology, putting healthy nutrients into the lake. The tree is also a good home for all sorts of wildlife. These factors are really important, especially if your shoreline suffers from erosion or a lack of native vegetation. Leaving the tree can really help the health of your shoreline. So ask yourself, can you live with the tree being there, or maybe removing only part of it? Any removal you decide on should be done with sensitivity, of course. Try to use the least invasive methods as possible. For example, don't use a backhoe where a small handsaw will do the trick. In fact, if the removal requires any sort of heavy equipment, you should call in an arborist. Lastly, be sure that you're doing the work outside of fish spawning season, which is typically in early spring. In some places, there are rules governing these in-water work windows. Call your municipal office to find out about your area. As in many cases, it's always better to work with nature than against it.